Okay, so we have our service contract created here with the required information. Contract number, the transaction type is a service invoice, the start date, the end date, the total, the currency, the customer, the frequency, which is 12. Now, we would start the processing to bill the customer. Narrate, 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 narrate a service invoice for this customer. It will generate a service invoice for this customer. Now, if we click Bill Selected, now it has generated the service invoice. It has shown out of 12, and the outstanding period is now 11. Now, for us to see the bill that has been generated, because we need to process that bill before it reflects at the side. So we'll go to Account Receivable, Service Invoice, enter and view service invoice. And then this service invoice is the bill that has been generated from that contract. As you can see, this is the contract ID showing here under the order number column. So it means, and then we process, 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 and then we process the service invoice. So we have two options. We can either edit the service invoice to see more details, or just click this checkbox and click on Invoice Selected. If we click on Invoice Selected, what happens is the service invoice would be posted. Once it is posted, then we will check the entries. So let's post now. Now, the service invoice has been posted. And then we can now go and check the entries. For us to check the entries, the accounts go to, and then we have the go to General Ledger. Then we would search with that account. Periodical reports would allow us impute the period for which we want to spoof. So we'll spoof January 2025 till date 26/04/2025 04. And then we click on preview. So as you can see, this is what was posted into the account as a debit. We are on the sundry receipt. In the next video, we will drill down to see the other leg of the account, because an account will be credited since this account was the debit account. Thank you.